Hey guys, welcome back to Firewall Stocks Now. If you haven't yet already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, leave a like and comment under the video. Today we'll be talking about ticker symbol FCEL, FuelCell Energy. This past week, FuelCell Energy stock has been in a free fall. It's fallen 16.6%, and as of today, February 19, the stock was down 5.2% at around $19.40. However, FuelCell ended the week pretty strong with a rate at 9.53%, so it's basically up $1.76 at around 2032. So guys, if you haven't seen the stock or the ratings or the analysis, FuelCell has performed pretty rough this week. The reason why FuelCell was down this week is because this week Wednesday, the people of Norway announced that they're going green. In Norway, it was announced that they would build their first hydrogen fuel cell gigafactory. Tico 2030, a company in Norway, wants to build a gigantic factory capable of churning out 1.2 gigawatts worth of fuel cells annually. 1.2 gigawatts is 1200 megawatts, 30 times the amount of fuel cells that Plug Power and FuelCell have produced on their own. So Norway is basically looking to knock out a few of the champions that are on the market already, like FuelCell, Bloom Energy, and Plug Power. So guys, this ain't a time to be alarmed. This ain't a time to go sell all your shares, because it's worth pointing out that Norway hasn't even begun production yet at its fuel cell company or the gigafactory. They're planning on beginning next year, 2022. Whereas Plug Power and the other companies have begun their production in fuel cell energy already. So Tico 2030 may be challenging Plug Power and the other US fuel cell energy companies for global supremacy, but its success is far from assured, guys. So for those of you that don't have the fuel cell stock, you have to trust and believe, guys. This play will go back to $30. So if you want to get it right now at around $20, this is a great position to start, because the pullback that this stock has endured the past week, trust me guys, is gonna go back to $30. So get in at least 100 shares, 125 shares, or what you can afford. Guys, trust me, this stock is gonna boom. It's gonna be banging, and you don't want to miss out on these profitable marketplace. So guys, if you like this video, like the video, subscribe, and leave your opinion down in the comments. Guys, enjoy and have a blessed week.